Hi again. I'm now super excited to talk to you about the Blackthorn Virtual Terminal, because as an admin, I can simply drag and drop the terminal wherever I need it. I can configure a lot of the appearance and the behavior to adapt the terminal in a multitude of ways to meet various requirements, while still providing a customized user experience everywhere I'd like to use the terminal as part of my payment process. Now, some of you may already be familiar with the existing terminal. However, this enhanced version is built using the Lightning Web Component Framework, meaning it can be used across a much wider range of Salesforce products. So today, I'll be showing you 4 short demos that will highlight the flexibility and the configurability of the Blackthorn Virtual Terminal. For our first demo, follow along as we use a terminal that has been placed on a contact record page and has been configured using the settings and data mapping features to function as a simple, user-friendly way of capturing and safely storing payment details. As we can see, the action on this terminal has been defaulted to new payment method. We also see data mapping in action by automatically associating the payment method being created to our contact, Rose Gonzalez, SVP at Edge Communications. We can configure the terminal to allow you to enter both credit card details as well as bank details, which are validated for things like card expiry dates as well as required fields. We can also use the terminal to set this as the default payment method for Rose, which should help us process payments faster next time by allowing us to use these stored payment details, all of which are securely encrypted, sent to your chosen payment gateway, and then stored in Salesforce as a secure tokenized version. For our second demo, we'll be using the terminal, this time embedded into a screen flow and launched with the click of a button to guide us through the process of paying an invoice. By navigating to the Related tab, we can see that there are currently 2 invoices with the status of unpaid. We're also able to see our contact, Rose, listed as one of the contacts on this account. Great, we can save time since we already have a payment detail stored. Now, flows have to be my absolute favorite Salesforce feature. In this screen flow, we can see how I'm able to present the user with a customized summary screen, automatically filling in data, as well as allowing them to make choices, such as selecting which invoice they would like to pay. On this next screen, we can see how the virtual terminal embedded in this flow interacts with the information, as well as the choices the user makes throughout the flow, such as the amount and description fields. Now watch as the user navigates back, changes their choice, and the terminal is dynamically updated. I would now like to quickly talk to you about the process types we support. We have Capture Now, which allows you to take the payment now. We have Auto Process, which allows you to schedule a payment to be processed on a specific date. And we have Authorize, which allows you to place a hold on the amount for it to be charged later. For this demo, let's take the payment now and watch as the invoice we selected is now showing as paid, and the transaction for that paid amount has been created to record this payment in Salesforce, so you can rest assured all your payment information is easily accessible and reportable. For our third demo, we're using the terminal in a public community site for Blackthorn University. Now, public community sites function just like any other website on the internet, so Blackthorn University have recently launched the donation campaign and would like to give anyone the ability to donate via this site. For this scenario, we're using the light mode feature of the terminal, which, just like in the other demos, gives you the option to pay using either card or bank details, but this time requiring you to manually enter all of the required fields, including additional address information, all of which again is validated as it's being entered. We also see the description and amount fields have been pre-populated, but in this case, we still give the user the option to amend the amount and successfully process the donation. For our final demo, I would like to show you how the terminal can even be used by fully mobile employees from within the Salesforce Field Service Lightning app. Our user has completed a work order, has added products consumed, and currently has an open transaction that shows the amount due for the work carried out is $350. So we'll launch the terminal from the Actions menu. We can see how our data mapping feature has already filled in most of the information, and the terminal gives us access to stored payment details as well as creating new ones. So you can use the terminal to add payment details, process payments on the spot safely and securely, remaining 100% on the field. I'd like to remind you that all of the demos you've seen today can be configured in just minutes and with just a few simple clicks. I hope you're as excited about this terminal as I am after seeing it in action. Thank you for watching.